City of Akron has a new hotel now, and it opens today. And unless you already know where it is, you'll never guess. Tom Cook is live with one of our TV5 action cams in downtown Akron. Tom, where is our next night on the town?
Well, our next night on the town is in some silos that used to hold each 2.5 million bushels of oats and sometimes corn.
Welcome to Quaker Square. Sad. That's wacky. This used to be like the entrance to a pretty high-end hotel in Akron. Still got these old trains over here.
It's Christie's train was.
Yeah, I do. I think it was like up underneath here somewhere or something, but there was a geocache in this thing at one time. It's so run down. Somebody made a creepy smiley face on the front. Pretty run down. This train used to sit on the side of the restaurant. That 1548, I used to win a trivia what was on the front of the train, and I think I got our family a free meal. Alright, one sec. I was just getting this thing. Pretty sweet. It sits over on the side now. They moved it. Which had to be a pain.
I had the pleasure of being here when it was the mill, and now I have the pleasure of seeing it coming into something that Akron's really proud of.
I love
Face covering required. It looks like, it kind of looks like it's like if there was a the pandemic went really bad.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And there was nobody around anymore or something, you know? Like it's like.
I wonder if anybody.
dystopian.
There's no way anybody lives in this. Look at the inside. It looks terrible in there.
Can you see like the old like painting though? With like the Quaker
There was a
Square,
Don Drum thing in there, a huge one.
There aren't lights on in the restaurant though in there.
Yeah, it's falling apart bad. Just chunks falling down. Look at all these old signs. Yeah, it used to be sweet hotel rooms and old. Didn't this used to be a restaurant too? Yeah. Something grill.
Well, remember you could dine in the little cars?
Look at that thing up there. Oh yeah. You can still eat. Yeah, you can actually see the old train car in there that you could eat in. It's crazy. It's wild too. The little teller booths used to have to pay to park in here. Trackside grill. It's wild. It's cool. You used to be able to sit in all that stuff. It's cool. I remember all this stuff, like that little train tower up there. Yeah. Now it's all dilapidated.
It's funny because somebody could probably like.
Old restaurant used to be over there.
Yeah.
This whole place used to just be packed with parking too. It used to be hard to find a spot.
The Depot restaurant occupies the site of the old Railway Express Agency.
Look, the lights are on. It's crazy.
Sign. It's probably not going to be around much longer.
Who knows?
Top of it's peeling away.
It's been around forever.
I know. All these old signs. Pretty sure that's. Oh. It's sad.
Oh yeah, and they had this fancy elevator. Wow.
Oh yeah. I do remember the glass elevator. Gift shops. That elevator was a spectacle back in the day.
There's nothing down there, but the lights are on. It just seems so weird.
That is wacky. Huh. It's so weird. Wonder if it even has heating and cooling. Because they were using it for offices for the University of Akron for a bit. The sign's falling apart on this side. It's hilarious. It's still just sitting here though. Man, I loved this place as a kid.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Wonder if they'll ever just like level it.
And that's what everybody thought it was just a wild-eyed dream. But that dream becomes a reality today with the opening of the Quaker Square Hilton Hotel.
Little Hill.
Thanks for being with us. 50 rooms are open tonight, and about 200 will be open altogether by September.